What's up, everybody? Well, as SPX is making all-time high, I often get asked, "Hey, coach, what to do at this point? Market has done up so much. Do I go or should I wait for the pullback?" Well, it's very difficult to answer that question if you really think about it. The easiest one is when the market is hitting all-time lows or when it's hitting bottom. Then you know the natural law of market is to generally move up in the long run. But if you are buying at all-time high, the concern is pretty valid. What if the market just pulls back? What if you are buying at the all-time high and then the market just drops right after that? Well, that also makes buying at all-time high pretty unique because there are so many naysayers. There are so many people who think that it will drop, and the resistance that become weaker and weaker, and especially the market just keeps going, keep ramping up against all the odds. So if you want to buy at all-time high, there is nothing wrong in it, but you got to be familiar, you got to be aware of one particular characteristic that usually takes place when it's about breaking out. And that is the market tends to break out and then go up a little bit, and then it will also come back, pause, retest that level where it crossed before making an all-time high. And typically, generally speaking, that is a much better place to be in as opposed to just going in when it's breaking out. Now, that has its own advantages and disadvantages. Market may not come back. You might not see it pulling back to those previous level and then can continue to run higher and higher and higher. That is also a possibility. So as a trader, you have to think about, what are the best ways to manage this ambiguity or take the risk. So here is what I would typically do as a trader. Let's say if I have $100 budget or $1,000 or 10,000, whatever your capital is, that you wanted to go in if the market was making high, then typically I'll take a first shot at around when it's breaking out, and I will just keep a stop loss below, just below that level, just in case, if that turns out to be a trap, so I can get out at the first sign of market turning down. And if market continues to go up, then yeah, I'm in and I make money as the market continues to move up. But if it does pull back and it comes to retest that, then I wait for the candle to turn green and see if this is a great idea to go in and add the second lot at that point of time. And if that happens, then that becomes a great place for you to start investing in and make some money with that. That's a fantastic place to be in to do it and trade well. Well, just wanted to share this little tip with you. Have fun, trade well, trade carefully. See ya.